Hey fellow viewers, welcome back to Bog of All Trades. This here is the weekly bunker. This week, what we're going to be doing is installing Formwork for the walls, which we have out of steel, and I'll be showing you the exact steps of how to do it properly. So, without further ado, let's get going. Bog of all trades. I do everything and more. First of all, let me show you how the steel formwork we made ourselves in the previous episodes looks installed into the bunker as promised in last episode, and this is it. I think it fits pretty well, and we'll be arranging the final matching as we'll be placing the wall formwork. This here is how the formwork panels look. They have 3mm front bar and they have holes on their sides. In order to lower them, what we used was this hook here that I bent from 8mm rebar and a rope attached to the excavator bucket, which you can see over here. That's simple. If you do not have an excavator, you could lower it with hands, but it will be much more difficult and cause a lot of earth to tumble down, which will make the process of cleanup more difficult. Hey you, are you not subscribed to the channel? Scroll down, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. You'll see more great content, and I'll know what to release for you. Let's get going. And what we're going to be doing now is actually installing it. The first thing we do is we lay it out and link it. You could link it in up to 17 places per 2.5-meter panel, but I think that's overkill. What we did was link it in 5 places. The more you link it, the more sturdy it becomes, and also the more it bends in order to prevent concrete from pushing it in, and we don't need that much resistance because otherwise the room will not be square, it will be round. After linking it, we flip it over. Now, that's why we did specifically this size. If it was bigger, it would be much more difficult for us to flip it over. We'd have to use the excavator, which is also possible. And we might do it in the future to prevent a risk. If it falls down, it could actually damage us. So I recommend using personal protective gear. With it flipped over, we do 2 treatments. The first is a treatment with phosphoric acid in a circa 10% solution. This here prevents rust from forming. It converts rust into iron phosphate, which is stable from further corrosion. And after we've done that, we will also pass it with oil. We have special oil for formwork, and this one will actually help you to split the formwork off from the wall. If you do not have it, you could use something like diesel or cooking oil, but the effects will be worse and it will dry out much quicker. So I recommend actually buying this oil. It is available in most hardware stores. So this is how the Formwork looks at this moment in time, and you'll be able to see the progress in future episodes. For now, be sure to check out the previous episodes, and until next time, ciao!